Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. From here you need to download an app called Samsung Voice Recorder. From this developer, if you don't have it already on your device. But as you can see I do, so I can click open right away and tap on while using the app and allow. Then choose this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording, click on the square button over here and name it. Then choose save. And as you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it by holding it, choosing the bin icon at the bottom left corner and tapping on move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!